babes, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a fun one. I'm showing you how I am decorating my planner for fall, and truth be told, it is actually like the first week of September when I'm filming this, but I really wanted to decorate my planner for fall. I absolutely love the fall. It is my favorite season. So although this is going up the week of the first day of fall, I couldn't help myself, okay? But I'm really excited to show you all of the goodies that I'm going to put in my planner. I do have to say this video might be kind of a long one, so grab your tea, grab your coffee, and grab your planner supplies, and let's get started. Before we hop into this video though, if you're not already subscribed, please do so. I post a ton of different videos on planner topics, specifically the Happy Planner, as well as beauty, lifestyle, hair care, all of those types of videos. So if you're interested, you don't want to miss out, so hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so the first DIY I want to make to qualify my planner is a new folder. I love this one. It fit well with the theme of the old planner because it was like the stripes and the teal and all of that, but I want to do a fall folder. Okay, so I have a template, and this is what I use in a lot of my DIYs. Basically, it's just a regular sheet of paper cut down to size for a normal sheet of paper or folder in a Happy Planner, which is 7 inches wide by 9 1/4 tall. So I'm going to cut this orange paper down to the same size. Okay, so like I said, I made this template. If you're interested in seeing how I do an in-depth folder tutorial, then let me know in the comments down below. I'll make sure to film this for you guys. But I'm just going to hurry up and speed through all of this so this video is not so long. But again, if you would like me to do this, then let me know in the comments down below. So what I'm going to do now is take my template and I'm turning it sideways so that it can fit on the whole sheet of scrapbook paper. If your scrapbook paper is long enough, then you don't have to do this step. But to make sure that I have accurate tracing lines, I'm going to take a little bit of my washi tape and just tape that down. Then I'm going to take a ruler and a pencil and then trace the outside of the template so that way I can have the similar measurements on my scrap sheet of paper. And then I'm just trimming everything down using my paper trimmer, but of course you can use an X-Acto knife or your scissors to trim this out if you don't have a paper trimmer. I don't have a bone score, so I'm taking my ruler and bending down the flaps. You don't need to have this to make a pocket, but I just think the folder is so much cleaner and neater when you do this that way. Also, you won't get paper cuts, so it's amazing. And also, I didn't show this here, but my scrapbook paper was super thin, so I just glued some extra craft paper on the inside just to give the pocket more sturdiness and thickness. And then I'm taking glue and just gluing down the outside pieces and then the end pieces and folding that inwards. I'm taping the folder in place so that way when I hot glue it, it won't shift around, and I'm hot gluing the side and the bottom of the pocket to my scrapbook paper. I'm folding that and pressing it down and then moving on to the other side, and I'm good to go. It was super easy and super simple, so let me know in the comments if you want me to film a full tutorial on this DIY as well as the clear dashboard pocket. Moving on to my clear dashboard pocket. I've had this for a while now. I just haven't showed you guys, but I want to decorate it for fall, so I'm using this Wild Romantic scrapbook paper that I got from Michael's. But I love this bottom piece, and I've been watching a lot of travelers notebooks videos, and I love how they add little scrap pieces of paper and stickers and different accents, and just makes the traveler notebook look more used and worn in. And I wanted that look for my Happy Planner. And then I'm taking this larger piece of scrapbook paper. Oh my god, this color palette is to die for. So sad that my pocket was too small. I had to cut off like a lot of the florals, but I'm just trimming that down so it can fit in my pocket. I'm sliding that in, adding my longer sheet. I found this sticker that says, "But I think I love fall most of all," from that Happy Planner, the memory keeping sticker book, and I just put that on like a gold vellum sheet and then cut that out. This is by no means like a fancy pocket, but I love looking at it when I open it up. Alright, so now moving on to my weekly spread. So I'm taking this long sheet from the memory keeping sticker set, placing that as like my sidebar, and then adding some deco pieces throughout. And this is coming from a year of memories in the memory keeping sticker book, but of course I'll have everything listed down below. Adding this orange weekend script font to Saturday and Sunday. Y'all, I love my weekend banners. They make me so happy. And then I'm taking this plaid sticker, and to get more use out of it, because it was for the memory keeping, which as you know is a lot bigger than our classic spread, like lengthwise, I just cut it in half so that way it fills up most of the box. And this is a really good tip if you guys didn't know about that, but I love using the memory keeping sticker books and just cutting the full boxes in half so that way I can use them. So I'm just placing that sticker on Tuesday and Sunday, and then I'm going to move over to adding a peach box from the Colorful Boxes sticker book and placing that on Sunday. And then I'm going to take that fall sticker from the memory keeping book and putting that to the bottom of Saturday. Then I'm just going to take a leaf, an orange leaf, and put that on the bottom of Thursday. And then this gold little box from the memory keeping sticker book, I'm going to put that on top of it and overlay it, and then use a pumpkin for decor. I'm going to take a gold sticker from the first seasonal book for the Happy Planner and put that on top of Thursday. And then take this flag that says "Get Stuff Done." That's from that like gold mini kit. I don't know if they still make that anymore, but if they do, I'll have it linked down below. And then from the Colorful Boxes, I really liked these like peach checklists. They're very thin, so I have more writing room, and they fill up the full box, which is awesome. I wish they made like a full sticker book of just checklists. Like, can we make it happen? But of course, I'm putting that on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then adding those little heart circle dots, whatever, just to accent on Thursday and Sunday, letting me know that that's when I'm supposed to upload a video, although I didn't get the video up, so whatever. Coffee Monday sticker, adding some deco. So I added a pumpkin and that cup, there's like pumpkin spice cup and like some botanicals, and the fire because it's fall, so you're supposed to be all nice and warm, and some heart checklist on my sidebar. Alright guys, so this is the finished spread. I hope you guys enjoyed how it turned out. I absolutely love it because it's not like screaming fall, but it definitely lets you know like fall is here. And I'm loving the mix of like the peach and the orange and the purples and a little bit of the blue. I think it's really cool. It kind of ties in with the color scheme of my planner for fall. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here, and leave any of your video recommendations in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!